Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. I just wanted to do a little bit of analysis on Bitcoin for today. Today is June 20th, 2017. And also just give an update on my Genesis mining contract, and also just talk about possibly some other ways to kind of get access to the Bitcoin market without having to worry about storing coins and that sort of thing. So basically, here's a 4-hour chart of Bitcoin right now, and I really am kind of liking this chart because it's showing some nice kind of support and resistance levels, and really telling a clearer story, at least to me, about what Bitcoin's doing. And so in the last video, I think we were to this bar here, and so Bitcoin was just kind of breaking through the cloud, and I thought that we might be able to kind of push a little higher. And so today we did have an upward move to about 27.75, and it's kind of pulling back a little bit now. But I think as long as we can stay above the cloud here, and this kind of this resistance level now becomes support at about 25.50, then we can kind of make our way back up, maybe in the next week or so, to retest this high of 3,000. And if it can break it, that would be a great sign. So just a little bit bigger, longer term perspective here. We had this big rise up, and then it kind of crashed down. I actually bought in at this purple line here, so I didn't get the orange line, but I got the purple line. And then now it's sort of recovering and moving back up. So I'm hoping that Bitcoin can really push higher and set a new high here in the next few weeks. I also want to give a little update on my Genesis mining contracts. So I went ahead and just upgraded my Bitcoin hash rate to a full terahash per second. So I'm going to see how that goes. I haven't gotten a payout yet, but the previous contract was 0.2 terahash, so this should be 5 times the power there, and so I'm kind of expecting like 5 times the payout. But I'll see if it does that, or if there's some other kind of factor that's going on. And then also, I was analyzing my Ether mining contract, and back when these were equal, I had just put like $30 into each of them. Actually, the Ether payout was a little bit higher than Bitcoin right now. It was something like 19 cents, and Bitcoin was like 14 cents. So I really want to kind of bump up Ether next and get that contract with a little more hash power. And I was also looking at starting a Monero contract, but I don't really know that much about Monero, so I'm going to have to do some research on it. But that could be something that it'd be good to take advantage of. And then also, I was kind of thinking about other ways to kind of have access to the Bitcoin price without actually, buying coins or maybe like a mining contract in this case, which produces coins. Because I've been reading a lot about storage and, in some cases like hacking of accounts and stuff, of losing Bitcoin, and that kind of scares me a little. So I know there are a few stocks that kind of track Bitcoin, and so I'm thinking that might be a good way to access the Bitcoin price without having some of the risks, of like storing coins or that sort of thing. Also, I can use it, purchase it in my stock account, so can just kind of transfer money that's already in the market. So that could be good as well. But I'll do another video on that, where I can kind of go into a little more depth on that here in the future. So anyway, that's kind of all I had to report for today, but I'll continue to let you guys know how this investing kind of in cryptocurrency is going. I've only been in it for a week or two now, but this sector is just really on fire right now, and I think there are a lot of reasons behind it that are pushing Bitcoin higher. Just people seeing it as a kind of a way of storing wealth and value that's not really a traditional way, like not in a bank or not in some of the other ways that we've kind of known for so long. It's sort of the new thing. So I think that produces value, and the Bitcoin price isn't necessarily in a bubble. It's just going to continue to climb. So Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.